Hey, what's up, fam? Getting ready for the weekend. Orlando Garcia here with Total Care Restoration. Hope you guys are doing great, and I hope you have a safe weekend as well. I forgot to tell you guys, so this week I had a client call us in for a mold inspection. Went into the house, told me that he and his wife were feeling like allergic reactions they never felt before, and their kids were also feeling allergic reactions. They ended up taking the kids to the hospital twice in 1 week. We went ahead and did our mold assessment, and of course it came back that there was in fact mold in the house. So a very small leak left unattended for a long period of time can definitely turn into something serious. So anything you see, make sure you report it, call us. Our inspections are free. We can go out there, assess it, check it out, and make sure that you and your family stay safe. This is Orlando Garcia with Total Care. I'll see you soon. If you have questions, we've got answers.